Hey everybody, it's Nico from Let's Do Stuff here, and today I'm going to be shooting my brand new, it's a little bit broken here, but my 1911. So it's a Colt 1911 Target, if anybody wants to go buy it at their local Walmart. So I think I'm going to get into shooting it, and I can show you the how accurate it is right here. Look, ready? Oh jeez.
Get that crap out of here. I have a way better idea.
You don't like this?
No. Let's use these
I can
guns.
tell you it still hurts.
That had no impact at all, I'm sorry. Hey guys, it's Let's Do Stuff here. Julian and Nico. We got all of our guns here. Some paint. And we also are going to use some water balloons, and we're going to shoot them. So let's get to the video.
Hey guys, it's Nico from Let's Do Stuff. Julian did the intro. First gun we're going to be shooting is this Elite Force M4. It's a newer gun. I just used it at SC Village recently. It's a lot of fun to use. Alright, let's get into it. We're going to be shooting a balloon with paint in it. That's pretty much what we're going to be shooting. Paint. This whole entire thing. I'm going to start on semi. If I can't pop it, I'll get a full auto. Alright. Yeah.
It's my turn.
Oh. I missed.
Okay, we're doing a different color paint this time. We're doing some pink. Hey, we decided not to use the M14 because it was not working right and it wasn't popping the balloons. So we're just gonna use the M4 to pop some green balloons now.
Alright guys, so the next gun we're going to be shooting is the High Kappa again because I decided to shoot this instead of the M4. Julian went with the M4A1 and I went with this. So let's do this. We're shooting a balloon that I lathered up in green paint and it has orange paint inside. Alright, let's do it.
Hey.
Alright, so we're both gonna be shooting. I'm gonna shoot a blue target and he's shooting a green or a blue balloon. He's shooting a green, the paint inside, not the balloon because they're both red. Alright, let's do this. In 3, 2, 1.
How do I
Just fire the gun! Dang.
It's not firing. I think it's the
Go.
Oh my god. You can't. Anticlimactic ending. Thank you for watching, guys.
Oh
Dominic is firing.
Look what just happened.
Dominic's firing some random crap back in the background. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, favorite, comment down below if you love us, and
Hey guys,
thank you for watching.
Watch this outro. Julian, zoom in.
Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.
Zoom in.